Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education. In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Visakhapatnam location. Let us see what are job openings available. We will discuss one by one in detail.
Attention please. Do not pay money for any kind of job.
Firstly, there is a job openings for Infra Projects Private Limited. They are looking for civil engineers and mechanical engineering staffs, freshers graduates and minimum 1 to 5 years of experienced candidates for construction field. Both are eligible for a flyover bridges and in national highway works like other civil works, and workplace will be Hyderabad and Goa, but the company located in Visakhapatnam only. You can share your resume at the provided email ID, or you can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. You can contact Mr. Venkat Rao and you can check with the further details. Email ID is mvr999act@yahoo.com and contact numbers are 0891270692 and 9948295624. Next, there is a job openings for Ramer Software Solutions. They are looking for domestic IT staffing and 4 vacancies available. Minimum 1 to 4 years of experience is required, and they are also asking the person should have good communication skills. You can share your resume at the provided email IDs, or you can also contact on the given phone numbers for further information. And there is also official website address link provided here, www.ramersoft.com, and the email IDs are hr@ramersoft.com, and one more email ID is available, hrd@ramersoft.com. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 0891254609, and one more mobile number is available, that is 9396126666. Next, there is a job openings for Tata Motors Authorized Service Center. They are looking for helper positions. Qualification is ITI mechanical or electrical or DC, and they are also looking for supervisor positions. Qualification is diploma or BTech mechanical and electrical. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 7032994444. Next, there is a job openings for Snap Fitness. They are looking for receptionist position. Only female candidate is eligible for the job role, receptionist. And they are also looking for trainer positions. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role, trainer position. And they are also looking for yoga trainers. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role, yoga trainer. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9293333389. Next, there is a job openings for Indian Springs English Medium School. They are looking for social teacher to teach the students from 8th class to 10th class. And you can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 7702200443. Next, there is a job openings for Kumar's English Medium High School. They are looking for teacher positions from 1st to 10th classes for all subjects. The school located at Bazi Junction, Gopalapatnam, behind Bharat Petrol Bunk. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9494410163. Next, there is a job openings for Bojana. They are like a food delivery application organization. They are looking for delivery boys. The person should have a own two-wheeler and a driving license is required. Minimum age is 21 years and up to 45 years of age will be considered. Salary is offered up to 10,000 a month and along with petrol allowance. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9859752999, and these are all the locations they have vacancies: Gazuvaka, Madravada, NAD Junction and Vizag City. Next, there is a job openings for KRR Property. They are looking for direct sales executives for their projects. Salary offered minimum 10,000 to along with TA, DA and incentives. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 9703400027 and 9703400052. Next, there is a job openings for All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Mangalagiri. They are looking for financial advisor, superintending engineer and executive engineer electrical, assistant controller of examinations and administrative officer, librarian. So all these positions they have vacancies. The last date to apply for this job is January 30, 2021. You can go through the provided website address to get to know more information on the job notification and details. What is the application process? So the website is www.aiimsmangalagiri.edu.in. So www.aims.mangalagiri.edu.in. So this is the website address. You can go through it and get to know more information. What is the application process and what are the qualification detailed information available. And the last date is January 30, 2021. Next, there is a job openings for Vaidyaras Ausadashala. They are looking for receptionist position. Only female candidates eligible for the job role. Qualification inter or degree. Should have a good fluency in English and Hindi languages and along with computer knowledge is required. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9030568264. Next, there is a job openings for Classic. They are looking for customer support coordinator. Qualification is any computer professional and both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role. You can contact on the given phone number or email ID for further information. Contact number is 9348754999 and email ID is kk@classique.co.in. Next, there is a job openings for Imagine Interiors. They are looking for various positions like Bachelor of Architecture Engineering and along with AutoCAD knowledge and Diploma in Architecture Engineering along with AutoCAD knowledge and DC Engineering along with AutoCAD knowledge and 3D Draftsman, Office Assistant. Only female candidates eligible for the job role Office Assistant and should have a computer skills as well. You can contact on the given phone number between 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. for further information. Contact number is 0891-252-7310. Next, there is a job openings for Mahati Private Limited. They are looking for area managers in 12 areas at Vizag City. You can contact on the given phone number for further information and salary offer is up to 12,000. Minimum 12,000 to up to 18,000 along with PF and ESI. The contact number is 7075043104. Next, there is a job openings for Hotel Supreme located in Vizag. They are looking for accountant and sales marketing executive. All these positions available and should have experience in hotel industry only. You can contact on the given phone number or you can share your CV at the provided email ID. For further information, email ID is dsgnroy@gmail.com and mobile number is 7799708280. Next, there is a job openings for Padmaja Suzuki, a Suzuki showroom. They are looking for motorcycle sales manager and team leaders and sales executives. There is a detailed information provided. For further information, you can contact on the given phone numbers or you can share your resume at the provided email ID. And for motorcycle sales manager, should be a graduate and minimum 5 to 10 years of experience is required as a sales manager or senior sales field. And they have team leader vacancy as well. Should have a 3 to 4 years of experience as a team leader and sales executive position. Minimum 2 to 3 years of experience and driving license is required. Freshers can also apply for this sales executive position. Attractive salary and along with incentives up to 40,000 per month will be offered. You can directly walk in with your original certificates and photographs to the provided address and you can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact number is 8886653183, and one more is 8886617017, and email ID is pccgwk.hr@gmail.com. Next, there is a job openings for Sarvani Industries Private Limited, and they have interviews on 26th and 27th December, Saturday and Sunday. And as today is already over, you can attend the interview tomorrow. And they have vacancies for sales and marketing manager and executive and accountant, production and logistics coordinator, and QA QC engineer, lab in charge, plant and machinery in charge. All these positions they have vacancies. You can directly walk into the provided address between 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. and address details are available here. You can check with that, and there are also contact numbers and email ID available, and the official website address link available. For sales and marketing manager executive, qualification is MBA or graduation, and minimum 1 to 5 years of experience is required along with good communication skills. For accountant position, qualification if you see should be MBA finance or BCom graduate, and minimum 1 to 3 years of experience is required, and along with MS Office and Tally ERP9 knowledge. And for production and logistics coordinator, qualification is any graduation and minimum 1 to 5 years of experience relevant industry, like related to the industry, is required. And QA QC engineer lab in charge, the qualification is BTech civil or diploma civil, minimum 3 to 8 years of experience in RMC industry is required. And for plant and machinery in charge, qualification is BTech mechanical or diploma mechanical along with minimum 5 to 10 years of experience in RMC industry. So these are all the detailed information available. You can check with the company for further information on the given phone numbers on the official website address link available, and you can share your resume at the provided email ID. The mobile number is 9701110290 and 9989521280, and official website address link is www.sarvaniconcrete.com, and email ID is hr@sarvaniDustries.com, hr@sarvaniindustries.com. So this is the email ID. You have to share your resume. Next, there is a job openings for KK Nirman Group. They are looking for experienced candidates in real estate. You can salary offered minimum 10,000 to up to 20,000 along with incentives. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 9100454515 and 9885022566. Next, there is a job openings for Suvarna Bhumi. They are looking for accountant position. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9396236755. Next, there is a job openings for United Digital Science. They are looking for flexi designers and flexi sign makers. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9652741990, and the person should be experienced for both flexi designers and flexi sign makers. Next, there is a job opening for VN Interiors. They are looking for fresher graduates, CAD designers. Only female candidate is eligible for the job role CAD designer, and qualification is Bachelor of Architecture or Bachelor of Technology or Diploma in Civil Engineering, and site engineers required. Only male candidates are eligible for the job role site engineers. Should be a Bachelor of Technology in Civil Engineering or Diploma in Civil Engineering. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 9705405397 and 8885870777. Next, there is a job openings for supermarket. They are looking for supervisor. Only female candidate is eligible. The computer knowledge is required and that is mandatory. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information, and the organization is Star Hill Supermarket. The contact numbers are 9247146593 and 9849180875. Next, there is a job openings for Mother English Medium School. They are looking for teacher positions to teach all subjects for high school. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 7396398963 and 7386382603. Next, there is a job openings for SSVSS Educational Society. They are looking for HR and admin. Only female candidate is eligible for the job role and minimum 3 years of experience is required. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9640406921. Next, there is a job openings for Jisan Restaurant. They are looking for captain and waiters. Only male candidates are eligible for the job role and the location is opposite to Chitralaya Shopping Mall, Jagadamba Center, Visakhapatnam. You can contact on the given phone number Mr. Basha for further information. Contact number is 7095463726. That's it in this video guys. I will be coming up with more updated job openings for Visakhapatnam location as early as possible. Thank you so much for your love and support guys. I am getting a lot of huge support from Visakhapatnam location. I love you so much guys. Thank you so a lot for your support. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to encourage me to do more videos for Visakhapatnam location. I will try to upload as many as videos and I'll try to cover all variety of job openings. Please share our channel with your friends and family members to encourage me to do more videos for Visakhapatnam location. Thank you so much. Have a great day.